It's free to use. Download this Amapiano drum loops. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, you're in FS Studio and I'm gonna give you this free Amapiano drum loops. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and also share the video, like, leave a comment, let me know where you are watching me from. Alright, super simple. This is the only channel that you'll be getting free sample packs, free VST plugins, free. Everything is free here. Alright, and I take you through mixing, beat making, mastering, vocals, presets, everything that you need. So kindly subscribe to the channel to join this amazing community. First thing first, let's listen to these loops, and after that I will walk you through this Amapiano drum loops that you can actually download for free after watching this video. So I started with these kilos from Purity. Super simple. Then I introduce this one. Alright, so let's add them. Then I introduce this vocal chants. Alright, so the three of them sounds like this. If you want to get these loops, comment in the description box and I'll come back and give it to you for free. Alright, so now imagine you have created these nice and catchy melodies and it's time for you to introduce your drums, but guys, you are not getting the vibes. I mean, your drums are boring. All right, so what you can actually do is to go for these drums loops that I'm gonna give it to you. It comes with their BPM, as you can see, 112, some are 113 BPM. All right, so first thing we're gonna add this one. Now listen. Simple, just drag and drop and now you get the vibe. All right, let's listen to this. Super dope. Right, let me delete this one. Crazy. This is super crazy. Link is in the description box. Download it for free. Like the video, share this video, let somebody to get this free sample packs. Ish. Super dope. Let's listen to this. Sheesh. Oh yeah, this be crazy. Guys, let me know where you are watching me from and tell me which one is your favorite. If it's loop 4, loop 5, let me know. All right, let's crazy guys, listen. Just drag and drop. If you're also good in making melodies, all you have to do is to create your melodies and add these drum loops. And as I said, everything is free. Click on the link in the description box and download everything. Let's check this. Super simple. Listen to this. Ish. Ish. Super dope. Almost 19 drum loops for Amapiano. Guys, this is crazy. Download it from the link in the description box. By the way, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, share, let me know where you are watching me from. I will be happy. Listen to this. Crazy, guys. Add this one. Super dope. Let's go for the 13. Like the video, share so that somebody will also get this. One thing I've realized is that you can create nice and catchy melodies. I mean, when it comes to the drums, hey, if you don't take care, you mess up. Alright, so all you have to do is to download this and start with the drums. Alright, start with these drum loops and it will give you the vibe. Listen. Super simple. Ish. Oh, crazy. Listen. Listen to this. Hey guys, you feel the vibe? This is super dope. Let's go for this. Now listen. Alright guys, so everything is free. Click on the link in the description box and download this free Amapiano drum loops. By the way, if this video helps you, give it a like. Let me know where you are watching me from, and I will be happy, very happy. If you want sample packs or sample kits for your Afrobeat, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, do more music, come back for more. Stay blessed.